What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add custom token in your Trust wallet. So first you need to open up your Trust wallet and then here you need to enter your passcode, and after that you need to click on this icon on the top right if you want to add a token that is in Gamify. So it is not available here. So if you want to add a custom token, click on this button, add custom token, or you can click on the plus icon on the top right and this will open up this window. Here you can see that it is by default choosing the Ethereum network. So for example, if I have found a new coin that is Gamify, here you can see that its name is Gamify, and if you want to add this token to your Trust wallet, so here you can see the contract link. You need to copy this link, and here you can see that it is BNB, so this means this is Binance. So here you can choose the network BNB Smart Chain and then paste that address, and here you can see that all the fields are filled automatically. Now you need to click on save, and there you go, you can see that the custom token has been added to my Trust wallet. So this is how you can add custom token in your Trust wallet. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.